Are you exhausted from playing catch up after every single video call because you couldn't type fast enough? I just uncovered an absolute cheat code. It's an invisible AI assistant that records, translates, and builds your action items without ever showing up as an embarrassing bot in your meetings. Here we are on ticknote.com. Effortlessly capture browser audio during Google Meet, Zoom, or Teams without having to join as a participant, avoiding awkward virtual assistants, and you maintain professional intimacy with discrete background recording. So we pop on here now and we'll join the browser-based Google Meet or the Zoom, and then we'd select the TickNote Cloud Chrome extension, and then you would start the recording. And with this, we have absolutely no intrusive AI bots present at all. And we've got exceptionally precise and highly accurate transcription within this extension. Now, as soon as you finish your call, TicknoCloud's incredibly powerful shadow agent automatically and seamlessly takes over the entire process, moving way beyond a standard chat box. TicknoCloud utilizes over 100 integrated templates behind the scenes to instantly process your raw transcripts and upload files. Shadow Agent functions as a highly capable personal data analyst, automatically generating visually impressive and professional pages, along with comprehensive data analysis reports derived specifically from the context of your conversation. There, you can choose to upload. And one of the most mind-blowing things that Shadow Agent can do is take your raw, messy conversations and instantly code them into a beautiful, interactive HTML presentation. And instead of spending hours formatting text boxes in standard presentation software, you can generate a sleek web-based slide deck directly from your meeting transcript or upload research files ready to be presented straight from your browser. So now I've put in my prompt based on the transcript and uploaded file in this project. Build a 6-slide interactive HTML pitch deck, style minimal dark background with electric blue accents, bold headlines, one key idea per slide, smooth fade and transitions, include title slide, 3 core insight slides, an action item slide, and closing slide. And there we have it. Pretty much instantly done. You can flick through these slides, 1, prompt card, 2, and 3. Also, we've got the smart hardware. So for offline face-to-face meetings, Tickno Cloud offers physical smart cards and recording pods that automatically sync your audio directly to your cloud account when connected. As you can see, once done, download it straight to your HTML. Now, if you work across borders, this tool completely removes the language barrier by letting you instantly translate your finalized meeting notes and transcripts into over 100 languages. So from this now, I can turn this entire summary or transcript into Stu French. So once we've selected that, you can see now that it is generating the content. It's turning all of this transcript or the summary, seamlessly converting it into perfectly formatted French. As you can see right there, the whole transcript is formatted into French. To wrap everything up and summarize, Ticknote is the absolute best and most reliable privacy-first note-taker that seamlessly takes care of recording, translating, and summarizing, effectively giving you back several hours of your week. It does this also at a very, very affordable price. Starting off with free Open Studios, also a free plus, and only $9.92 for the professional. Well worth it in my opinion. Stop doing manual busy work and let AI build your presentation. Check the description below to get started and set up your account. That's all for today's video. We hope you liked it. Don't forget to hit the like button, tap subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.